Hi guys, my name is Eric. I'm SwellPro. So I build all kind of waterproof stuff, all the waterproof drones. Okay, this is my the new baby, the SwellPro 4 Plus. This is a brand new waterproof flying platform. It can be used for different purpose. The drone is complete waterproof. The whole it can include the camera and the controller. This is the controller for the new drone. Too fast, right? I think. This drone is very special because the first step is it's complete waterproof. The second step is multifunctional. You see that this camera, it is a 3x gimbal camera with 4K 60 frame rate, 48 megapixel sensor. Can record up to 60 frame rate, 4K 60 frame rate video. This camera it's quick release, easy to take off and change another camera. We built a bunch of camera for the drones. The one is a thermal camera, and the thermal camera with the range finder. The range finder can detect like 1.2 kilometers. So like you fly up, and you have the coordinate or the picture in the remote. And we also have a zoom camera. The zoom camera, very small zoom camera, can zoom up to 30 times. This is very good for search and rescue. So that with that camera, so the drone, you just fly up. You don't need to get close to the target. Then you see what is, and you also see the coordinates of the location of the targets. It's very convenient. This is a inflatable light buoys. So this drone is used for a lot of time. A lot of people use it for search and rescue, especially for on the ocean, on the beach, and this kind of environments. So like if one person is loose on the water, so what's the best way to keep him alive? So I think the best way is to send a drone and drop this live buoys and make sure he get a live buoy. So this live buoy you see, it will come with a 5 meters long cable. But the payload release is two drop. The first drop is to drop the buoy, and then with another cable to link it. Make sure this the person can get it. So this system, this drone can have the thermal, can see at night, day and night, and then long range camera can zoom up, and with the light buoy can save people. And it's waterproof, so like you put it on the boat, it doesn't matter. Even though you lose on the water, it's okay. So this is the SwellPro 4 Plus. So here is another one. This drone is his name is Fisherman Max. It's built for fishing. It can carry up to 3.5 kilogram. It's a very big bait. It's basically used for the bait drop. It can throw the bait up to 1.3 kilometers far to the sea. So many people use it for fishing the shark. Fishing the shark is just for fun. So this drone is foldable. It's very easy to use. When you float up, it's become very small. Right? and it's very easy to storage. When you see this is air sensor, air quality sensor. Can detect many kind of data on the air. So many people tell us, oh yes, your drone is great. So we put this, and then can use it for air quality check. So we build this. So this is another one. This is another one. This is also a fishing drone. This is not basically the same feature, but this can carry 2.2 kilogram. This is bigger, 3.5 kilogram. This very good build, very good quality. We are here for a long time. We are here for almost like 12 years. We keep become better. Hopefully next year will be a lot better. Thank you.